Well, it's all set, ready to go. You're going. Yep, it is on. I really like this one-handed thing.
Now it's on.
There's the brakes.
Good.
We got brakes now.
Careful on the brakes.
I said I couldn't accelerate.
It'd be nice to have that amp meter.
It would.
It should have a shut-off protection, but also I think I limited it to 80% of its current, just for the first.
Is that at max speed? It's pretty decent.
Plus, you say?
I think that's called runaway motor.
Alright, test drive number 2. Yeah, it's not fun backing out. Our speed controller mounted to the stick shift. Whoa, whoa. That's weird. 72 volts, extremely close to my crutch. The hole in the floor. Garden, 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 garden! Garden! 50 points. Easy. Easy. No good. Alright?
I think we can make it.
Yeah, we can make it.
I need power
Alright, power. See, I control the power with this little switch here.
though.
Call it the safety.
I gotta reset my thing.
You gotta reset the speed to 0?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's why we stalled.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, Ian.
I told you that.
Oh.
I told you a bunch of times.
Alrighty. Alright, let's clear, let's go. No?
I'm gonna wait.
Alright. She runs. There's the speed controller. Contactor. Input voltage, output voltage.
Power's on?
Power's on. Output voltage still reading 0. Still reading 0, that's weird. Ah, 60 volts over there, 58, 60. Something's dragging. Something might be dragging down the hall. I don't know. Let's see how fast we go down the hill. Start accelerating now, Ian. Yeah. There we go. And rocket. Fifth gear, fifth gear. That's reverse. Not too shabby. We just want to get a gas pedal instead of the toggle.